Best car wireless Apple CarPlay adapters enable seamless cable-free connectivity, safer driving, faster access to navigation, calls, music, and smarter in-car convenience. Today's video is about top 5 best car wireless Apple CarPlay adapters that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Gemless Wireless CarPlay Adapter. The 3A Magic Link Wireless CarPlay Adapter truly feels like a smarter co-pilot for modern driving. Designed exclusively for factory-wired Apple CarPlay systems, it transforms your experience with instant auto connection and smooth, cable-free control using voice, touch, or knob. Everyday tasks like navigation, music, calls, Siri, and radio respond quickly, saving time and reducing distraction. Powered by an advanced 7A microchip with 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, and an 8-core processor, it delivers up to 40% faster transmission and noticeably smoother performance than standard adapters. Google Maps, media apps, and messaging load almost instantly, even on long drives. With stable connectivity across extreme temperatures, the ultralight aluminum alloy build feels premium and durable, offering excellent heat dissipation and long-term reliability. With a sleek design, true plug-and-play setup, online updates, and a worry-free 365-day guarantee, this adapter delivers serious performance and value. Now our second product is Pinkfly 2026 Wireless CarPlay Adapter. This wireless CarPlay adapter delivers a truly effortless upgrade for factory-wired CarPlay vehicles, supporting iOS 10 Plus, Android 11 Plus, and over 1,000 car models. Setup is instant. Pair once via Bluetooth and enjoy automatic reconnection every time you start the car. No apps, no cables, and no waiting. Cloud-based firmware updates actively prevent disconnection issues, keeping every drive smooth and worry-free. Excluding BMW and Tesla, performance is where it shines. Dual-band technology combines 2.4 GHz stability with 5 GHz speed, tripling transmission rates for near-instant navigation, music, calls, and Siri, even in underground garages. The ultra-thin, coin-sized design stays virtually invisible, eliminating cable clutter without blocking controls. Built with aircraft-grade aluminum and a scratch-resistant acrylic panel, it runs up to 35% cooler than standard adapters, ensuring stable performance on long drives. Compact, shock-proof, and reliable, it feels like factory-installed wireless CarPlay. Our third product is Notable Wireless CarPlay Adapter. This wireless CarPlay adapter is a simple yet powerful upgrade for vehicles with factory-wired CarPlay. Setup takes just one pairing, no apps or complicated steps required. Once connected, it automatically reconnects every time you start the car, delivering a smooth, cable-free experience without interruptions. The multi-function interface fully supports navigation, music, phone calls, Siri, and text messaging, all integrated directly into your vehicle's existing controls. This allows true hands-free operation, helping you stay focused and drive more safely. Its mini design is a standout feature. Being 65% smaller than standard adapters, the compact aluminum alloy body fits discreetly in your car while offering excellent durability and heat resistance. Despite its size, performance is impressive thanks to the upgraded dual-chip system with 2.4 GHz plus 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.4, ensuring fast, stable, zero-latency transmission. Now number 4, AutoCast Mini Wireless CarPlay. The AutoCast Mini Pot delivers a refreshingly simple wireless CarPlay and Android Auto experience, eliminating the daily hassle of cables. Once installed, your favorite apps launch automatically every time you start the car, with maps, calls, and music instantly appearing on the screen for a smooth start to any drive. Designed for wide compatibility, it works with most 2016 Plus vehicles equipped with factory-wired CarPlay or Android Auto, supporting iOS 10 Plus and Android 11 Plus devices. Best of all, it keeps your original car controls unchanged, whether you use the touch screen or steering wheel buttons, so everything feels natural from day one. Automatic reconnection happens within seconds after ignition, making it ideal for busy mornings. The compact, tapered design ensures a secure fit and stable performance without random dropouts. Backed by a 2-year warranty, the Autocast Mini Pod offers dependable, worry-free wireless driving. And our last choice is Piniro Mini 2-in-1 Wireless CarPlay. The 2-in-1 Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto adapter is a game-changer for drivers seeking cable-free convenience. Simply plug it into your car's USB or Type-C port, and it instantly converts a wired system into a seamless wireless experience. Dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz plus 5.8 GHz, ensures fast, low-latency transmission for navigation, calls, music, and messaging, while automatic reconnection makes every drive effortless. Its ultra-compact, USB stick-sized design blends discreetly into the dashboard, keeping your interior clutter-free. The included Type-C adapter and USB extension cable guarantee compatibility with tight ports or crowded dashboards. Supporting 98% of factory-wired CarPlay and Android Auto systems, it works with iOS 10 Plus and Android 11 Plus devices. Note, some Android phones may have carrier restrictions. Hands-free control via voice commands keeps your focus on the road, preserving factory sound quality and microphone functionality. Quick setup, seamless phone switching, and OTA updates ensure this adapter remains future-proof, delivering a smarter, faster, and safer driving experience without replacing your head unit. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.